We'll guide you through how to use Figma for education, making your design projects and classroom collaborations a breeze. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Figma website on your desktop and log in with your educational account. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard where you can create new designs and organize your projects. For educational purposes, you might want to start by creating a new team. Click on the Create New Team button, give your team a name, and then you can start inviting your classmates or students by entering their email addresses. This is perfect for group projects or collaborative assignments. Next, you'll want to create a new project within your team. Click on New Project, name your project something relevant to the course or assignment, and save it. Within your project, you can create multiple files to organize different parts of your project. To create a new design file, click on the plus sign and select Design File. This opens up a blank canvas where you can start your design work. Use the tools on the left to add shapes, text, and images, and take advantage of Figma's vast library of templates and design resources to enhance your project. Figma is known for its real-time collaboration feature, so encourage your team members to work simultaneously on the same file and leave comments for feedback directly on the design. If you're using Figma for a class presentation, you can utilize the prototype feature to create interactive demos. Click on the prototype tab, link your frames to create a flow, and use the present button to showcase your work. This makes your presentations more dynamic and engaging. Remember to regularly save your work and use version history to track changes. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.